Okay, just playing this again. Ah. Wait a minute. This is a horror game. You can play it, but the name in the comments. I will say it to you. I will say the name of this game later when we finish it. Oh my god! Napaborito. My friend. Yeah, bedrooms in here, right? Oh, this is Bo. Oh my god! I love this. I love it. Shawarma. Wait a minute. Tablet. 45. No man ibada pacho. Cocos. Wait, I didn't buy it. $20, bro. We need something. I will find a pic. Ronnie. Wait. Get a picture. Okay, let's check it our picture. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. I saw about it. Wait, what did you say? Spirit fire. Oh my god. It's such. Wait a minute. Oh no, it's nighttime. Close all the doors. Close all the doors. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Whoa. Hello guys. When you heard the sound, that's me. Wait. Let's watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. My god, close the goddamn door. Fix the door. I fixed the freaking door. Are we safe? Are we safe? I'm so creepy. Yeah, I'm crying. Mama. Oh my god. Run towards the Help me. Mommy, Dudu. Mommy, help me, mommy. Again. See, baby, dop. Watch me fall asleep. Mama. Close the door. Your friend Momo. Okay, my friend Momo. Hey, Jay. Mommy, help me. Someone open the door. Help me. Mommy, wait, please. I'm gonna fix it. Today, guys, the game crashed and I joined it again. Okay, guys. Be quiet. Be quiet, guys. Be quiet. Don't make a sound. Don't make a freaking sound, boy. Don't make a... Made from